So, you're thinking about starting a C corporation, huh? It's a big step, but with the right help, it can be a smooth journey. Today, I'm here to guide you through the process of getting your C Corp up and running. First off, why choose a C Corp? Well, a C Corp offers some great perks like limited liability, which means your personal assets are protected. Plus, it can attract investors more easily because it allows for unlimited stock issuance. It's a pretty sweet deal if you plan on growing big and fast. To kick things off, you'll need a solid business name. Make sure it's unique and doesn't tread on any trademarks. Once you've got that, it's time to draft your articles of incorporation. Think of this as your business's birth certificate. It includes all the basics, your business name, address, and details about your shares. Next, you'll need to appoint a board of directors. These are the folks who will help steer the ship. Even if you're just starting out, having a few trusted advisors is always a good idea. Now, don't forget about those bylaws. These are the rules for how your C Corp will operate and include things like meeting schedules and voting processes. Once you've got your board of directors and bylaws in place, you'll need to take care of some paperwork. This includes getting an employer identification number from the IRS. This is basically your business's social security number and is crucial for handling taxes. Speaking of taxes, here's where a C Corp can get a bit tricky. It's taxed as a separate entity, so you'll deal with things like corporate tax rates and possible double taxation. But don't worry, with proper planning, you can navigate this efficiently. Right after the paperwork is approved, schedule your very first board meeting. This is where you'll officially issue shares, elect officers like CEO and CFO, and log everything in the minutes. It sounds formal, but think of it as the kickoff party where everyone gets their job titles and the company hands out its very first stock certificates. Next, swing by the bank and open a shiny new corporate checking account. Keeping your business money totally separate from your personal cash isn't just good practice. It also protects that liability shield and makes your bookkeeping and your accountant's life way easier. Finally, remember that you don't have to go through this alone. LegalRegistration.com is here to help every step of the way. We can make the process a breeze, ensuring that everything's in tip-top shape so you can focus on your big business dreams. I hope this has been helpful and gives you the confidence to jump into the world of C Corp. If you have more questions or need a hand, reach out to LegalRegistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111. And don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips and guides on starting your business journey. Thanks for watching.